In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Admin Console in Asana. Think of the Admin Console as your organization's command center in Asana. It's where you keep your workspace healthy, secure, and aligned with how your teams actually work. I'll walk you through how to open it and what each core tab helps you accomplish so you can manage people, teams, insights, and billing with confidence. To access the Admin Console, click your profile photo in the top right corner of Asana and choose Admin Console from the menu. If you don't see that option, it usually means you're not an admin, super admin, or billing owner in this organization, so you may need to confirm your role or switch to the correct workspace. Once you're in, you'll notice a clean set of tabs that group the most important controls in one place. Start with Insights. This area gives you real-time charts that surface team adoption, active users, and task completion trends. Use these visuals to understand whether your rollout is sticking, where engagement might be slipping, and which teams are driving the most value. Look for patterns in spikes or slowdowns and match them to real events like onboarding, big launches, or process changes. The goal is to spot what's working and adjust training, communication, or templates accordingly. Next, open members. This is your directory to invite people who need access and deactivate those who no longer do. Keep your list up to date to prevent confusion and manage costs responsibly. In 2026, you'll also find role-based access control here, which lets you assign custom roles. That means you can tailor permissions for different responsibilities, giving the right level of access without overexposing sensitive areas. It's especially helpful as your organization grows and you need fine-grained control. Move to teams when you need to create or delete teams and manage their visibility. Public teams are discoverable across the organization and work well for shared initiatives. Private to the org is best for sensitive projects or early stage work that isn't ready for broad visibility. Set clear team names and descriptions so people know where to collaborate and what belongs where. Finally, visit billing to update payment methods, download invoices, or change your seat count. Keeping payment details current avoids service interruptions, and regularly reviewing seat count ensures your plan reflects actual usage. Downloading invoices here centralizes your records and streamlines reporting for finance. That's the Admin Console in a nutshell. Quick access, clear insights, controlled membership, structured teams, and straightforward billing. Use it regularly to keep your Asana environment organized and aligned with your goals.